Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this tutorial, I will show you how to transform a photo into a Roblox style character using Pippit AI. So Pippit AI is an AI creative platforms or AI creative tools that will help you to create any AI content, like maybe generate image or create character designs, creative visual transformations, and many more. And if you want to try it yourself, just click the link in the descriptions or pinned comment to access this tool. And okay, let's get started. First, just open Pippit AI like this, and then next, just go to Image Studio, and then go to AI Designs, and then just upload your photo like this, and then next, just write your prompt. For example, before I already prepared my prompt like this, you can just copy my prompt if you want, or you can also create your own prompt. And then after that, just tap on just choose your AI model, and then just choose your ratio like this, and then just choose your resolutions, and then after that just click submit. And okay, like this, you can see the result. Your photo transforms into a Roblox styles avatars that looks like it came straight out of the Roblox games like this. I think the result, it looks so good. And okay, that's it. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you.